need chunky yarn in white, pink, orange, and green. I'm using Bernat Baby Blanket Moonlight Sparkle and Coral Blossom. Bernat Baby Blanket is a weight 6 fluffy yarn. Here's how it looks on my centimeter ruler. I use a hook size that is the same thickness as the yarn. This is a 6.0 millimeter hook. You can use any hook that matches your yarn size. You'll also need 2 lobster claws or keyrings, stitch markers, a yarn needle, and scissors. For row 1, make a magic ring and put 8 single crochets inside. I'll be using yarn over. Try to make the stitches in the magic ring a little bit loose so you don't have any issues closing the ring. Pull your magic ring closed. If you struggle, you can start on the first stitch and wiggle them over little by little to try to make it easier to close the ring. I like to place the stitch marker onto the current loop on the hook. For round 2, increase into every stitch. I tuck my yarn tail behind the current working stitch in order to weave it in while crocheting. For round 3, repeat an increase single crochet all around. Here's the increase, and here's the single crochet. For round 4, repeat a single crochet, increase, and single crochet all around. Here's the single crochet, the first stitch of the increase, second stitch of the increase, and the last single crochet. For round 5, repeat a single crochet 3, increase all around. There's the 3 single crochets, and here's the increase. For round 6, repeat a single crochet 2, increase, and single crochet 2 all around. Here's the first stitch of the increase, and the second stitch of the increase, followed by 2 more single crochets. For round 7, repeat an increase single crochet 5 all around. Here's what it should look like at the end of round 7. For round 8, we'll single crochet 3, increase, then single crochet 3. For round 9, we'll repeat a single crochet 7, increase, all across. Here's how the progress should look at the end of round 9. Mine is curving a little, which is natural. I like to put it upside down and flatten it. I'm going to leave the blue stitch marker as it is for your reference and start with a new stitch marker. For round 10, single crochet across in the back loops only. The blue stitch marker is in the back loop only of the first stitch. Back loop only, single crochet, back loop, single crochet. Repeat this across. When you finish round 10, your work may start curving inwards towards you. Just point it outwards. For rounds 11 through 19, single crochet across. Make sure to go into both loops. This will be for a total of 9 single crochet rows. I'll complete the rest of the 9 rows off camera and meet you at the end of round 19. Here's how your bag should look at the end of row 19. For round 20, we'll repeat a single crochet 7 and invisible decrease across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. An invisible decrease goes through the front loops only of the next 2 stitches. For rounds 21 through 25, single crochet across. This will be a total of 5 single crochet rows. I'll complete the rest of the single crochet rows off camera. I'm attaching a new stitch marker at the end of round 25. For round 26, slip stitch into the first stitch. Then, chain 4. This is the 4th chain. Now you'll skip 3 stitches and half double crochet into the 4th stitch. Repeat a chain 3, skip 3 stitches, then half double crochet into the 4th stitch. Chain 3, skip 3 stitches, and half double crochet into the 4th stitch. Here I am near the end of round 26. I've chained 3, skipped 3 stitches, and half double crocheted into the 4th stitch. I have 1 gap left. I'll chain 3. I'm now left with 3 stitches with the slip stitch in the 3rd one. I'll skip all 3, including the slip stitch where the stitch marker is, and slip stitch straight into the 1st chain of the row. Here's the 1st chain. Go ahead and insert your hook into there and slip stitch. For round 27, single crochet into the 1st chain space, half double crochet 2, and then single crochet once more into the same chain space. Repeat this across. In the next chain space, do a single crochet, the 1st half double crochet, the 2nd half double crochet, and the last single crochet. Continue doing this across to get the ruffled look. Here I am at the end of the row. In the last chain space, I'll do the same single crochet, first half double crochet, second half double crochet, and the single crochet. Now, slip stitch into the first stitch, you can fasten off here and weave in your end. To weave in my end, I like to go back and forth a few times in the general same area. Make sure on your way back that you stagger a few stitches so you don't go through the exact same stitches. That's the end of the bunny bag. I'll see you in part 2 for the rest of the tutorial.